Now, setting the stage for the announcement of the Bihar Assembly elections early next week, Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar and two election commissioners on Saturday have conducted a two-day review of poll preparedness in the state. The full commission held a series of meetings in Patna, including with representatives of national as well as state political parties. Now, the schedule for elections to Bihar's 243 assembly constituencies is expected to be announced soon after the Election Commission concludes its visit to Bihar. Given the ongoing festive season, the Election Commission will have to carefully frame the poll calendar to balance voter turnout with law and order as well as security requirements. A new state assembly has to be in place by the 22nd of November. Meanwhile, on getting up for the elections, Bihar's BJP chief Dilip Jaiswal said that there is no elder or younger brother in context of the alliance with the JDU. Early in several instances, BJP has referred to the alliance with JDU as elder brother, younger brother. Now this time, Jaiswal says that they will move together. Listen into the reactions coming in.
इस बार कोई बड़े भाई छोटे भाई की भूमिका नहीं है। इस बार एनडीए एकजुट होकर चट्टानी एकता के साथ आगाज करते हुए चुनाव लड़ रही है।
उम्मीद करते हैं कि बिहार का चुनाव जो है निष्पक्ष तरीके से ना कि किसी को मदद करने के लिए चुनाव कराया जाए। लोकतंत्र में जनता मालिक है और जनता को पूरा अधिकार और हक बनता है कि चुनाव जो है फ्री और अच्छे वातावरण में।
अप्पू और पप्पू दो नेता हैं, एक प्रधानमंत्री को बनाते हैं, दूसरा मुख्यमंत्री बनते हैं। ये अप्पू और पप्पू संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे हैं लेकिन अपनी जिम्मेवारी का निर्वहन नहीं करते। जनता मालिक होती है, किसी का खानदानी बपौती नहीं है कि रानी के पेट से राजा पैदा होगा। लोकतंत्र की धरती बिहार है, जनता जिसको चुनेगी वो नेता बनेगा। सोने के चम्मच लेकर जन्म लेने वाले, अय्याशी करने वाले लोग हैं। ये खानदानी जो इनके पूर्वजों ने जनता की गाढ़ी कमाई लूटी है उससे ऐश करते हैं, विदेश में पिकनिक मनाते हैं और देश को बदनाम करते हैं। भारत में चुनाव को सिर्फ सत्ता तक पहुंचने का माध्यम बनाते हैं।
Well, going back to my colleague Raman on this, the BJP seems to have solidified its stance when it comes to the alliance and has called it an equal partnership instead of saying that, there's an elder brother and a younger brother dynamic. Now, walk us through the politics that's unfolding in the region.
Exactly. If we are seeing the numbers of seats in the Bihar Assembly right now, the BJP is far ahead of JDU. That's why BJP Bihar Chief Dilip Jaiswal said that there is no talk of younger brother and elder brother. Earlier we saw in every election, the past election which have been done in Bihar, that JDU is in a role of elder brother and BJP is always in a role of younger brother. But this time the number of seats BJP have, currently they have more than 75 MLAs in the state, and if we are talking about the JDU is around 45 members in the assembly. So that's why Bihar BJP chief said that all the partner of NDA alliance will go together, no role of younger brother or elder brother. And if we'll talk about the statement, this is a kind of pressure politics by the BJP over the JDU inside the alliance. That's why the BJP Bihar chief had said this time no role of younger brother and no role of elder brother. The alliance will go together in the polls. And if we are talking about the numbers of seats, BJP is taking ahead of JDU in current situation, and that's why BJP is saying and also trying to get advantage in the upcoming election, where BJP might be seen as a elder brother this time.
Right.